Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix photo mode missing on TikTok. So this problem might arise a bit more sometimes, or let's say the mostly. So to fix it, how you can do is, let me just teach you a very easy step and just follow me. And if you have any queries or any problem within the process, just let me know in the comment section. So now let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your TikTok and then go to your profile and then go to three lines, and over here just go with the setting and privacy option, and then go a bit down until you find report or problem option. So account and profile, and then go with editing profile. And now here comes the interesting part. Just go with others and then go a bit down, go with need more help, and over here you have to specify your problem. So just type what I type. So I'm very missing the TikTok photo mode option and everything, and then just submit it. And then okay, it's loading, have some patience guys. And then your ticket will be updated, and then TikTok will reply you as soon as possible and your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.